Hello everyone, welcome to Take It. Today we are going to review a auto empty robot vacuum from Verefa. It's their L11 Pro model today. So without wasting any time, let's unbox it. At first we have got the vacuum cleaner. Then one piece of wiper, user manual, the charging station, then two extra pieces of dust bag, so this is the charging station, and here the dust bag should be installed. These are the nodes where the vacuum cleaner docked for charge, and this is the wind pipe where the dust sucked out from the vacuum cleaner. Here are the extra pair of dust bags and one piece of filter and another one piece of wiper. This is the main part. This one's the vacuum cleaner. We have here the home button and the power button, and in below we have two movable wheel and one 360 round wheel. These are the wipers. In here we will put the wiper. This is where all the dust becomes stored. Let's open it. You have to press here to open it. They have given a brush to clean the air filter. And after opening the upper part, just pull out the filter and you can brush the dusts out from here. Now we'll see how to connect the vacuum cleaner to its app. You have to download the application from your Play Store or iOS, scanning the QR code in the user manual, and you will get this app Verefa Live. I will remove the robot now and show you how to add the robot from the scratch. You have to choose the model here, then you have to put your Wi-Fi password. Make sure to connect the robot vacuum and your mobile to 2.4G bandwidth, as it only supports 2.4G. Then it will create a hotspot and you have to connect your mobile to that particular Verefa named Wi-Fi connection, and it will get paired. Whenever it's docked in the station, at first it will automatically suck out the dust zone of the vacuum cleaner to the dustbin. So thank you for being with us. Check the description box below for the link of this product, and see you in the next video.